for my spicy garlic wings. First, you take a whole wing. Take the whole wing and cut them. Wash them. This is the season. You put the dry season on there first before you fry them. They got the cayenne pepper. I always like to use lemon pepper season. Garlic powder. And onion powder. Just follow my tips for the rest of the way through, and your wings gonna come out perfect. So I got a frying pan. That's how I know my oil is ready. If my hands are a little wet, sprinkle a little water in there. Start doing that, it's ready to drop the chicken in. So I'm about to fry these chicken wings naked. This is the spicy, garlic spicy wings. So throw some cayenne pepper on them joints so I can get spicy. Kick up that spice a little bit. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Hope I didn't show y'all. Cayenne pepper. And some lemon pepper. They're about to be hitting. Mix this joint up. I'm gonna fry these joints naked. Fry them halfway. Then put my sauce on the top of them and finish it off in the oven. Spicy garlic wings going in. Like I said, I'm gonna fry them naked until like halfway done. Then put the sauce on them and put them in the oven. Now finish up in the oven. Sometimes I do batter on the fry them. I might put that in my next video. Show you how I get down with the wings. You heard? Alright, so I'm about to make my spicy garlic hot sauce. So I got some hot sauce, some regular generic hot sauce, you know. Don't go out there and spend that expensive stuff. Put that in the pot. Alright. I got some crushed red peppers. That drink about to be super spicy. Crushed red peppers in that bad boy. Got some garlic powder. Garlic powder up in that joint. Some minced garlic. Just gonna set it off. Couple spoons of garlic, minced garlic. And some cayenne pepper. And last but not least, some butter. Melt that down and then pour it over the top of the chicken. Now with the wings, you're not frying them all the way through. You're just frying them a little bit so they get crisp. You're gonna finish them up in the oven. When you put them in the oil, only let them cook for maybe like 5 minutes maybe. Cause we're gonna put the sauce on them and finish them up in the oven. Spicy garlic wings. Hot spicy garlic wings. See, I brought my hot sauce to a boil. Now I'm gonna just pour it over. I'm gonna take it off the stove and pour the bad boy over the chicken. Make sure you get the sauce over the wing, all over the wings. And you want to do, put them on the sheet pan. And put these bad boys in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Let them get nice and crisp. We're going to save the sauce for that. When we come back out, we're going to pour some more sauce on the top of it at the very end. So the spicy garlic hot wings out the oven. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of sauce to them and plate them. Is a Reynolds wrap after that. Yes, sir. And here we go, the final product. Nice and saucy, looking good. We're ready to smash this, man. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Peace out.